Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to Learn Online Mission 2020 Embrace English, powered by Smart ABC in association with Maima English Medium School. My dear friends, I hope that you are doing well at home and you are free from all the exam worries, tensions, and everything. You are almost the second assessment, periodic assessment is almost over, and you are into the class now. Yes, I'm sure that you have learned a lot from the past 12 episodes of Communicative English, and many of the parents told me that not only the students, not only their children, especially they are also getting benefit out of Communicative English class from my English Medium School. I'm very happy to hear that. My dear friends, this is section 2 means section 2 consists of classes from 1 to 3, 1 to 3. And a few parents told me a complaint saying that their children are unable to grasp the class, the meaning of the words, and they are unable to understand things well, and they are doing the task just by hearting, and after just by hearting and doing the task sake, just for the doing sake they are doing it. They are not understanding the class, it seems. That is a complaint put forward by some of the parents of my English medium school. And to those parents, I'm telling that, my dear parents, see, in this class, I mean, in the recorded class, I'll speak only in English, and all the details, all the things in details, I'll be saying only in English. And when I give the class in the WhatsApp group, and I always keep a voice message, a voice of the class, uh, which will have the Malayalam narration of the class. In that, I will say everything in Malayalam clearly and in detail. So, if the students are unable to understand, please listen to the Malayalam explanation of the class so that they can easily understand the things. Okay, see, why I am using English in the class, it's nothing but it is only by hearing English our students, our children will learn language. Only by hearing. See, first of all, I'm telling you, don't be panic about the understanding of the students. See, the children who belong to first, second standards, they may not understand English properly because they don't have any background. Of course, many of the parents of my English medium school, they do practice English even at home. I know many of them personally. They practice English. They speak English with their children at home in English. So, except those parents, the majority of the parents are unable to handle English at home. So, they will be having a kind of difficulty in giving details to the students, especially the students grasping the classes. So, doesn't don't be bothered about that problem. See, let them hear the class. Perhaps they may not understand anything. Don't worry. Let them hear. It's by hearing their understanding. It's by hearing, it's by listening. The language is being absorbed with the students, young learners especially. So please let them hear the class in English. Don't say that, my children are not understanding, so let them skip the class. No, don't do that. See, if they are not understanding when we go for explaining things in Malayalam, see, they are getting used to Malayalam instead of getting used to English. What what is our goal? What is our aim? It is to get the children used to English, not to Malayalam. So please let them hear English. Let them hear the class. Even if they don't understand, don't worry. First, second classes, they may not understand anything. I know. I am very sure about it. But as the time goes on, in the course of time, when they come to third, fourth classes, they'll be effectively speaking English automatically. Yeah. You don't worry about how they will pick up immediately. No, this is a process. This is a process. Listening is a process. Don't worry about that. So for them to understand, I'll give you a Malayalam narration of the class in WhatsApp group. Okay, so don't worry about that. So today, in the 13th episode, we are continuing the same method of learning. It is also yet another conversation that we can use when we are in the hotel. The hotel. In the last episode, we have seen a conversation which will help us to how to go to a hotel or a restaurant and to get a room. How to converse with the receptionist. So, in this episode, we will have a conversation through which we will come to know how to order a meal when we are in the restaurant, when we are in the hotel. Okay, so first I'll ask you to see the conversation given in this video. Okay, so just listen to the conversation, observe the conversation, that's all. And the difficult words and the sentences I will explain now. Okay, just to watch the video. Okay.
Ordering a meal. In a hotel, when we order a meal, the conversation may look like as follows. Observe the following conversation.
Hi, how are you doing this afternoon?
Fine, thank you. Can I see a menu, please?
Certainly, here you are.
Thank you. What's today's special?
Grilled chicken and cheese on rye.
That sounds good. I'll have that.
Would you like something to drink?
Yes, I'd like lemonade.
Thank you. Here you are. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
Can I get you anything else?
No thanks. I'd like the bill, please.
That'll be $250.
Here you are. Keep the change.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Bye.
See here we see that there are three people in this frame. Two are customers of the hotel, and the one who is standing just near to them is the waiter, the person who is serving meals to the customers. So the first person to speak here is the waiter. The waiter is saying, "Hi, how are you doing this afternoon?" Of course, we understood the time is afternoon, and the waiter is asking, "Hi, how are you doing this?" It's a casual conversation, casual talk. Yeah, when we see people, we ask, "Hi, how are you doing this afternoon?" Okay, okay. So the customer is replying to him, "Fine, thank you. Can I see a menu, please?" Menu. You know, menu. Menu means what? A list of the items which are available in the hotel. Okay, a list of the items, eatable items that are available in a hotel or a restaurant or whatever, that is called a menu. So customer is asking the waiter to provide her with a menu so that she can see the things available there and order according to her likeness. Okay, so going on, he's saying, certainly, here you are, which means, see, here you are. What you have asked, the menu is here. Just have a look. He is asking, and she is opening and seeing, and she is asking, what is today special? See, in a hotel, there will be something special for a day, a special dish for a particular day that will be there in every hotel. So she is asking about that, and he is telling there is a special thing today, and that is grilled chicken and cheese on rye. Okay, so that is it. So that is special. So the man in the customer side, he is saying that sounds good. That sounds good. I'll have that, which means, yeah, that is a good thing. He likes that grilled chicken on cheese and rye, and that is a good dish. He likes that, so he is going to order that. Okay, okay, okay. So the waiter is asking more. What is there to drink? So he's asking, would you like to have something to drink? Would you like to have something to drink? So she is saying, yes, a lemonade will do. Okay, a lemonade. Lemonade means what? Lemon juice. That's all. A lemonade means lemon juice. Okay. So see, he is carrying the food and serving the customers, and he's saying, "Thank you. Here you are. Enjoy your meal. Enjoy your meal. Just enjoy eating." Okay. So he is saying that, and customer is saying, "Thank you." Okay. So the waiter is asking, anything more? Would you like to have something more other than these what you have ordered? Just something more. So the person is saying, no thanks. No. Okay. There is nothing more to order, so this is enough. Okay. So the customer is asking for the bill, and the waiter is providing their bill, and the bill amount also he is saying that will be 250 bucks. See, bucks is money. Okay, 250 bucks, that is, bucks means money. Okay, you have already come to know about it. Okay. So the customer is giving the money in the wallet and saying that, here you are, here is the money. So what is something, so if something is left here, so customer is giving to the waiter as a tip, so keep the change. If something is left a change, you can take it. That is the understanding, that is the meaning of that sentence. Here you are, keep the change. Keep the change means, well, if something is left as a balance, that you can take. That is the gift from the customer to the waiter. Okay. So there ends the conversation. Thank you, have a good day. So that's it. So this is how the conversation is processing. These are the meanings of the words that you may not understand. So just watch the video as the follow-up activity. What you have to do as usual, just write down the what is that the exchanges of dialogue in a notebook, and make the same conversation taking help from your parents or your elder ones. Okay. So my dear students, I'll be eagerly looking forward to the replies, the responses from you. All of you must watch this video, understand the class, do the tasks. Okay. And if at all if you don't understand anything from this class, please listen to the Malayalam narration of the class, which will be sent in your WhatsApp group as audio clip. Okay. I'll be giving a Malayalam narration as well for those students and parents who are not understanding classes from these YouTube videos. Okay. So the task is just to do the conversation, record the audio, and send to me. Is that okay? Yes, that's all. So have a good time. Stay home, stay safe. We'll be seeing you as soon as possible in the class, in the school. Okay. Let us wait for that. Take care. Bye bye. Now, I think you have finished watching the video, and have you understood how you have to form the sentences to ask for a room, and what are the things, what are the documents required to register your room in a hotel? It's very simple. So just try to practice this same conversation with your family members, especially your parents. Try to watch the video again and again if you are not clear for the first time. Just watch it again and again. Okay. So this is a very simple conversation for you tonight to learn and practice with your family members at home. Just practice the methods, how they build sentences, how they use them to converse with each other. So, my dear friends, this is for you today a conversation for getting a room in a hotel. So, please watch it again and again, try to practice it, and as a follow-up activity, just record the same what is that conversation with your family members. Record the audio and send to me. Okay. I hope all of you will watch and do the follow-up activity, and record the voice and send to me. Okay. So Till we meet with the next episode, this is your Binu sir signing off. Take care. Bye bye.